So good morning, here I am at the Circuit Factory. I am here to work out with my buddies today. We've got Richard, we've got Lucy, and we also have Maite. You remember her from video 84, I think it was, or 85, I'll correct myself. Anyway, this is the workout that we have to do today. We have 3 workouts we're going to do. Each one lasts about 10-15 minutes. We're going to go in, go hard, and away we go. So like, share, and push the button. See you on the other side.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hello guys.
Here we go!
Let's go. Small light, let's go. Switch, let's go. Last 5. Come on. One more. And we're done. Well done.
Wow, the warm-up, apparently.
Richard, what's the next workout?
Oh, this is going to be a fun one. It's deadlifts and running. So we're going to start with 200-meter run, 3 deadlifts, 70 kg weight for girls, 100 kg for boys. You've got 2 minutes to do that. On the second minute, you're going to do 400 meters with 6 deadlifts. You've got 4 minutes to do that. And then on the 6th minute, you're going to do 600 meters with 9 deadlifts. You're going to 3 rounds of this. It's a 36-minute workout.
Lucy, Jesus Christ, what was that workout all about? Tell me, how you feeling?
I thought running was for me. Running and deadlifts. No.
It's a good warm-up. Guys, shall we have the real workout now?
Yeah.
Dirty butcher. Maite's flexing, guys.
I don't think I need to talk that much, right? Warm-up was hard. It was okay. And then here, Mr. Butcher and wife came in. So it's okay.
Yeah?
Good. Yes.
All right, so as you guys saw, that was brutal. So we had a kettlebell swing, not kettlebell swing. You saw the workout, I'm not gonna repeat it, but that's what happens when you train with Richard, Maite, Lucy. These guys are animals. They always push me out of my comfort zone, so that's why I keep coming back for more. Anyway, I hope you like that. Hit the subscribe button and keep an eye out. If you want more of these sort of videos, just have a look in the library. You'll see it. Peace out.